Hi guys, it's Diane, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make this pasta salad with broccolini today. This is a fresh, very delicious, super healthy salad. Before we make it, if you would sub please, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on that notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Let's go make this. I'm gonna use this fun little pasta I found at Trader Joe's today for our pasta salad, but you can use any little pasta you want. You know, penne, elbow macaroni, little shells, whatever you want, okay? We're going to use broccolini for this recipe. You can use small little pieces of broccoli as well. And now we're just gonna prepare it. We're gonna blanch this and then I'll show you in a minute. And then we'll continue with our salad. I am gonna use everything, the stems, everything. So I'm just going to coarsely chop all this. You can eat the little leaves, by the way, don't throw those away. And if your broccolini has little flowers on it, you can eat those too. I want you to get a bowl with ice water ready before we start. We're gonna bring a pot of water to a boil. I'm gonna add salt. By the way, this was half a pound of broccolini, okay, 8 ounces. So I'm just going to put the broccolini inside the water. And I just want this to cook for a minute or two. That's it. All right, now we're going to fish it out into the bowl with water. I'm not dumping this water up because I'm gonna cook the pasta in it now, but if you don't have one of these slotted contraptions, go ahead and dump it and start all over again, okay? So I'm gonna wait for this to come back to a boil, and we're gonna cook about 3/4 of a pound, 12 ounces of pasta in the same water. All right, so we're gonna cook this until the pasta's cooked through, and then I'm gonna drain it and I'm going to wash it with cold water, shock it, okay? And I'll come back to you guys. All right, I have the broccolini all nice and cold inside this bowl. I'm gonna add a cup of grape tomatoes, which I have. You can use cherry tomatoes as well. A cup of coarsely chopped almonds. And our pasta. Look at these huge basil leaves. If yours aren't enormous, you might wanna use more than 3. So I washed it, I'm gonna roll it. And I'm gonna cut it into ribbons. Don't go like this because you're gonna bruise it, just straight cut, okay? All right, now we're gonna make the dressing for this. Look at that beautiful salad. We are going to make our dressing, and I'm chopping up a small piece of shallot. If you cannot find a shallot, you can use a little bit of red onion for this. So we wanna make sure that this is chopped really, really finely. We wanna mince it. This is about a tablespoon. I'm gonna put it into a little jar. I have a small garlic clove here. We're gonna smash it. I'm gonna sprinkle it with salt. And I'm going to puree it with the back of my spoon. We're gonna put that in our jar. I'm gonna add about a 1/3 cup of olive oil in here. I'm using white balsamic vinegar for this. You can use regular balsamic vinegar, it's fine. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of honey, about a tablespoon of lemon juice, Careful that you don't get any seeds in there, okay? We'll do a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and we shake. Make sure to get all that honey in the bottom, okay? Pasta salads will absorb the dressing, guys. If you have pasta salad left over, I mean, it'll last you a couple days in the fridge, but if it dries up, you're gonna have to make more dressing and dress it up again, okay? Look at that. Doesn't that look healthy and beautiful? So let's try our salad. Oh, really nice. All of those flavors in there, guys. They mesh together so beautifully. I have to say, if you're gonna feed this to the kids, you might want to swap the Dijon for regular yellow mustard and maybe not put that garlic in there. It makes it beautiful, but it does, you can taste it, right? It makes it, gives it a little kick, which kids might not appreciate. I hope you make this and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you soon.